इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share a really delicious recipe of chapli kebab. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right? Let's get started with the recipe of chapli kebab. So here are the ingredients: beef mince half kilograms, eggs 4, onion 2 finely chopped, green coriander half cup finely chopped, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, green chilies 12 finely chopped, salt 1 tablespoon, gram flour 3 tablespoons sieved, red pepper crushed 2 tablespoon, white cumin seeds roasted and grinded 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, cinnamon 3 sticks, pomegranate seeds 1 tablespoon, whole coriander 2 tablespoon, carom seeds 1/4 teaspoon, poppy seeds 2 tablespoon, black cumin seeds half teaspoon, black peppercorns 2 teaspoon. Now in a grinder take cinnamon sticks, pomegranate seeds, whole coriander seeds, black peppercorns, carom seeds, black cumin seeds, and poppy seeds. Now I am going to grind all the ingredients coarsely. It is grinded, and add these grinded spices into mince. And add dried fenugreek, roasted and grinded cumin seeds, red pepper crushed, chili powder, salt, ginger, garlic, green chilies, green coriander, onion, and gram flour, and mix all the ingredients really well. Now beat 2 eggs one by one. And add into mince. And mix the mince again. After mixing it really well, cover it and marinate it for 30 to 60 minutes. After marination, I am putting fat in frying pan to heat it up because I am going to fry chapli kebabs into it. It is the uniqueness of these kebabs. It will double the flavor. And meanwhile, break an egg and beat it. Now mix the mince again. And make kebab. Chapli kebabs are bigger and thicker than usual ones. I am adding some more. Party is ready. So I'm going to dip it into egg and fry it into melted fat. And you can use clarified butter or oil as well, it's up to you, but authentic recipes with fats. Now I'm changing its side. Press it while frying it. It is fried. And fry all the kebabs in this way. You can see how I'm frying it. I'm changing its side and frying this side likewise. It's done. Now all chapli kebabs are ready, so I'm dishing it out in already decorated platter with yogurt dip. You can get the recipe of yogurt dip in description. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share this recipe with your family and friends. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.